Welcome to a comprehensive review of the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard, a versatile and thoughtfully designed accessory that aims to reduce wrist and forearm strain while enhancing your overall typing experience. This keyboard is tailored for users who spend long hours at their desktops or laptops and need a solution that combines convenience with ergonomic support. With its split design and cushioned wrist and palm rest, this keyboard is an excellent choice for professionals and casual users alike. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its split design. This design allows you to position your wrists and forearms in a more natural and relaxed manner, which may help relieve and prevent discomfort associated with prolonged computer use. The soft cushioned wrist rest further enhances comfort, offering additional support that makes it easier to tackle long typing sessions without fatigue. Setting up the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard is a breeze. It comes with a 2.4G USB wireless nano receiver, conveniently stored at the back of the keyboard. Just plug in the receiver, and you are ready to type almost immediately. This plug-and-play approach means that even users who are not tech-savvy can enjoy an uncomplicated, hassle-free installation process. Additionally, the keyboard is designed to work seamlessly with Windows operating systems, making it a reliable option for most desktop and laptop users. Speaking of performance, the keyboard boasts a rechargeable lithium battery, offering an impressive 6-month battery life based on a typical usage of 2 hours per day. This high capacity is a real bonus for those who hate frequent charging interruptions. Moreover, the package includes a USB-C charging cable, a detailed welcome guide, and even comes with a 24-month warranty, along with friendly customer service support, reflecting Arteck's confidence in the product's durability and reliability. When compared to similar products on the market, the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard holds its own by marrying great ergonomic comfort and modern wireless convenience. While many keyboards offer similar features, very few combine an ergonomic layout with such a generous battery life and user-friendly setup. However, it is worth noting that this keyboard is designed primarily for those accustomed to typing on a divided layout. Some users transitioning from traditional keyboards might need a short adjustment period to fully adapt to the split design. For those looking to get the most out of this product, try to position your keyboard according to your arm length and desk height to optimize comfort. Experiment with different seating positions, and remember to take regular breaks to complement the ergonomic benefits provided by the keyboard. In summary, the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard is a solid investment for anyone seeking to improve their typing posture and reduce wrist strain. It's ideal for office workers, students, and anyone spending extended periods at a computer. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable typing experience. Goodbye, and have a